This video is part of a tutorial on how to sew a half-sun pleated skirt. First, before making folds, both parts of the half-sun skirt need to be hemmed at the bottom of the skirt. The upper part of the skirt, where waistband will be sewn, does not need to be overcast. Now you need to outline the hemlines. Please note that the narrower the hem wide, the better it will be laid out around curved line. Tips. To make it easier to hem, it is desirable to baste over the hemline. This adjustable presser foot makes it very convenient to hem the bottom of the skirt, trousers or dress. To sew the hem beautifully and neatly, you need to choose a special stitch, or in extreme cases, choose a wide zigzag. First, I will show you how to hem using regular sewing thread. I recommend that you first adjust the stitching on a test fabric piece. Slide this plastic foot part against the folded edge of the fabric. While sewing, the needle should catch the folded edge of the fabric. But in this case, the needle did not always catch the folded edge of the fabric. The plastic foot stopper needs to be moved slightly to right. The needle now catches the folded edge of the fabric, but the thread stitches are very visible on the right side. You need to adjust the position of the foot stopper a little more. The stitches will not be visible if the fabric is variegated, and if the fabric is single color, the stitches will still be visible. Therefore, when hemming the bottom of a garment made of single color fabric, it is better to use a transparent invisible nylon thread. You do not need to change the lower thread to the fishing line. The upper thread is now completely invisible because the upper thread is transparent. It is desirable to press the hem on both sides of the skirt. Using this thread, you will make an almost invisible hemming of the bottom of a skirt or your other products.